In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surfshark VPN as a static IP quickly and easily. Understanding how to set up a static IP through your VPN is incredibly useful, especially if you're looking to maintain a consistent online identity, enhance network security, or ensure reliable access to IP-specific services. So, let's dive straight into it and simplify the process for you. First, open up your Surfshark app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download and install it from the official Surfshark website to avoid any security risks. Once your app is up and running, locate the app icon on your desktop or within your application library and open it. Now that you have the Surfshark app open and ready to go, your next step is to navigate over to the VPN section. Typically, this section is clearly marked and easily accessible from the main menu or dashboard of the app. The VPN option is your gateway to controlling your server choices and how you connect to the internet through Surfshark. Clicking on this will bring you to a list of different server types and options. Once in the VPN section, you want to click on the option labeled Static IP. This feature is crucial because it ensures that the IP address you connect with remains the same during your session, rather than cycling through different ones, which is standard with many VPN services. A static IP can be beneficial for activities that require a consistent IP, like gaming, accessing specific services, or setting up secure connections. While you're in the static IP section, take a moment to explore the available regions. The location you select will determine the site of your static IP. Choosing a region close to your physical location might improve your connection speeds, while picking a different country can help you access region-specific content. Make your selection based on what best suits your needs. If at any point you're unsure which setup will work best for you, don't hesitate to visit the Surfshark Support Center. They offer detailed guides and assistance that can help you make the most informed decision for your specific needs. And there you have it. Once you've followed these steps, your Surfshark VPN will be set to use a static IP, allowing you a consistent, reliable experience every time you connect. By utilizing this feature, you're making the most of your Surfshark subscription, elevating your browsing activities to be not only more secure, but also more dependable. Thank you for joining me today. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll become a pro at managing your VPN settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.